Next, Revit. Okay, so here along with the BIM, I already told you Revit is also a part of BIM because BIM is Revit, Revit is BIM. So here in Revit there is a combination. There is a combination tool. Yeah, there is a combination application we can say. Revit is a combination with some application. So what type of application? Revit is consist with template files. Template files. Revit is consist with families files. Because the Revit is consist with families files. So what is families files? What is template file? You have to remember. Next again it is consist with families template file. So family template is separate, template file is separate. Again it is consist with project template. Project template. So Revit is consist with template file, family files, family template file, project template file. There are 4 combination application will be consist in Revit. So what type of application? What is the use of this application? We have to learn first. Then only we can able to start the project. Because what is BIM we know. What type of project we have to do in BIM we know. Then how much detailing we have to do, that is also we know. What is the dimensional view we have to create, that is also we know. Then how to start the project in Revit, that also you have to know right now. Then only you have to start the project in Revit. So Revit is consist with some 4 types of application factor we can say, or 4 types of combination application we can say. So what is template file? So here you just make it note down. Template file is consist with all families files. Template file is consist with all families files along with project setup. When you are going to start a new project, you have to take that template file first. So template file is consist with families files along with project setup. Some of the setup we have to do in templates. So as per the setup only, this project is going to be visible when you are going to create a model. So what is family file? What is setup file? That everything you have to learn right now. Okay, so what is the use for this template file? Because the template file we are going to create a project file. So template file is going to be creating a project file. So to create a new project file. So when you are going to create a new project file, we have to take template file. With the help of template files only, we have to create a new project file. So without template file, project file is not possible to create. So in template file, what is consist? It is consist of families files along with some project setup. That's all. So what is family file? Here, family file means each and every component. Component or object we can say. Each and every component or object will called as families. Now you are thinking, sir, family means my family, my father, mother. Is not like that here. Many people are thinking family means my family, my brother, my mother, my sister. That is family are thinking. But here it is not like that. In technically the BIM, family we will call as an object. Now this is a marker. Marker is the name. But what type of component? Marker is a family component. Blackboard is a family. Okay, now you are sitting in front of the table. Table is a family. Name is table, but that component we will call in BIM as a family. chair, family, floor, family, column, family, beam, door, windows, everything will be called in BIM as a families. Okay. So each and every component will be have separate file of family. If the marker you are going to show in a model, so you have to develop this marker, and that marker piece consists with one file. So there are number of family files will be there. That all family files is going to be insert in template file. So that template file is consist with all family files. And along with that family files, now you have to create the model. If your family is not available in the template file, you can't do any model creation. Because here number of families you are assembling and developing the model, that's all. Each and every component you are going to assemble. One by one you have to assemble, then only your model is going to be created. Am I right? You know some of the sculpture people will be there. They are taking one big stone. Am I right? They are taking a big stone, and that stone, whatever the unwanted material is there, they are removing with a hammer or some. So, and one day what will happen? Unwanted materials they are removing and they are making some god statue, some different statue. How they are developing? Because they are creating each and every component with that shape, and that shape is going to be created on some visible, some means most of the people they will do some statue, some creativity things in stone, like in other thing also the same thing. So that is also one type of family where they are developing. So here also the same thing, whatever the building construction, what type of components is required, all components will be having separate file, and that all file we have to make it merge in one template file, and that template file is going to be helpful for creating a project file. Got it? So like that here the template file is very much important while creating the project. But if the template file, there is no family files, nothing you can do. Again you have to create the all families again, because what type of component you require, that component need to be created again. Because without creation of that model family file, you should not able to present the component in project file. It's not possible. So without family, there is no project. So here, each and every component we will call as a families. Maybe what any mechanical, electrical, civil, piping, BMS, all components we will call as a family. Even human being also we can develop in model. So human being also one of the family. If they are male or female, male one family, female one family, like that. Okay, so each and every component we will call as a family file, and that family file we have to create. But here in Autodesk peoples, they have given some of the family files already. It is exist in our Revit tool, because already they develop some of the family. But that family is not fully detailing. Only some of the basics family they have given to us for starting the project. And when you are going to make detailing more, then that family you have to make it develop, and you just create as per your requirement. You just make it more detailed. That family you can able to do it. That authority also the Autodesk people has given in Revit. Got it? So here this family files is consist here in templates. So what type of templates is there in the Revit? So in the Revit, if you go, there is an architecture template is there, because the person who is working with the architecture, he has to take architecture template. Okay, next structure template. If the person is working in structure, civil engineering, model, structure model, then you have to go with structure template. Okay. And if the person is working with mechanical, so you have to take mechanical template, because in mechanical template all the families will be consist in mechanical component only. That is the reason we have to develop the model in mechanical. If the person is working electrical, so he has to take electrical template. So Autodesk people has given this template in this way. If the person is working plumbing, so you have to take plumbing template. Plumbing template again. Like that. So in architecture template, only the architecture model only we have can develop. The structure is not possible. If you want to develop a structure also, then a structure family again you have to insert in that template file, then only the structure component is going to be visible. Otherwise it will be not, because family is not consist. So when you are going to work with the structure, so you have to take a structure component, only the structure will be visible. Here mechanical, only mechanical components can be worked. Electrical only. Individual services, plumbing, piping. Yeah, plumbing. We can say directly plumbing means piping we can consist here. Like that it will be there. So these are the templates from the Autodesk company has been given in Revit directly. When you will install the Revit software in your computer or laptop, it is consist with all template. Okay, so here individual services, individual template is there. But some company they are thinking, no sir, I want to work architecture structure in single file. Yeah, I can work MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, I can work in single file. So that file template is also given here. We can take separate individual services separately with separate template. We can work combined with all services, that also here is given. So architect structure combined if you are going to work, so there is a default template. One template they have given, default template, and that default template is consist with architecture or structure, both we can able to work. Okay, and if you are going to work with all MEP, then here one more template is given, system default. In system default template, we can work mechanical, we can work electrical, we can work piping, both, all three services we can able to work here. So like that, the template file already from the Autodesk company they have given to us. Got it? So like that, we have to take this template. With the help of this template, we will generate our model, and that model we have to work. And that model is consist with all families. Because here the system default template is consist with mechanical families, electrical families, and even piping families also will be exist. But in here template there is no limit. Unlimited families you can download. Unlimited family you can make it merge in a model. There is no limit. You can make it lakhs, crores of families in the model. Your file will be increased, size will be increased, but there is no limit. Okay, there is